Don't mind me.
I don't know.
So it's a drawing of a tree. What's the tree made out of?
Made out of fairy floss.
Fairy
The branches are made out of chocolates. And the trees are actually also lollipops.
Oh, that looks...
Shooting stars are made out of chocolate and candy. And the candy cane is just made out of candy cane.
And destruction, and he wanted to show his nephew how to send his dreams and wishes on a boat to take him right over to Holland where his uncle lived. So you can do a beautiful decoration on a piece of paper, and then we've got instructions to fold it into a box.
Is that planet exploding? And that star's the one that is exploding.
That's wonderful.
What we need to do is fold these ones down first.
That pattern matches your dress beautifully.
It does, yes.
It's a very good...
Is there your hopes and dreams, or is it just a beautiful pattern? Okay.
Just a beautiful pattern.
Just a beautiful pattern. Sometimes that's all one can hope and dream for, is a beautiful pattern. And then we fold up this bit like that, so it starts to look like a hat.
That like that.
Yes, that's right. And fold it down.
Then do it on the
neatly.
other side?
Yep.
Yes, do it.
Yep. So what you can do is fold the corners over the triangle too. In the middle, and fold these ones.
I put it where the mist is.
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a really good idea.
I know what to do here. Mommy, we made a tiger.
Can you sort it? That's very cute. I mean, jealousy?
How do I do it? Then you do this, then another orange.
Okay.
Like a little Like, why don't we make a pattern like this? Orange, white, orange, white, orange, white.
Okay.
I did the same, but I also
I'll roll them up and you can make the pattern.